Have you ever considered mixing salt beef brisket with tomato lentil dal? If not, this recipe is a must and you should definitely consider it. I had some leftover salt beef brisket from last week recipe, so I decided to combine these nice saltiness of the brisket with a curry dish, and there's nothing better than that lentil dal. So let's make it. Start off by browning your onions and adding your spices along the way until your onions has fully caramelized. Now don't worry if the screen's going too quick. As usual, this recipe is on my website and link in bio. Once the onion has reached that color, really nice brown caramelized color, add your garlic and then your coriander, and then keep mixing for a few minutes. After that, add your curry leaves there and then mix it up until you add your tomatoes and peppers, and then cook them until they're slightly soft. Once they're soft, add your leftover beef brisket that I've got here. This is salt beef brisket, and I'm telling you, that flavor is what was missing the whole time. So now I've added my lentils, mixed everything, and then here we have it. We add some chopped tomatoes in there, and then we add some water, salt, and season to the taste. And then cook it for a good few hours. Once it's ready, which you'll know once the lentil has softened, add some lemon juice and you serve it. Absolutely delicious. And once you have this, you're never gonna have lentil dal without that beef briskets ever again.